Students, in this video we are going to discuss the chapter number 6 and the chapter number 7. Firstly, we will discuss the chapter number 6, our basic need, air. Students, as we know that air is very important for all living beings. We cannot survive without air. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about air. The first part A is write true for a correct statement and false for a wrong one. We can touch air. Students, can we touch it? No. We cannot touch air. We can only feel it. It is false. Air is always hot. No. Sometimes it is cold and sometimes it is hot. It is also false. Number 3, we can see air. No. I already told you that we can feel it only. We cannot see air. It is false. We need air to live. Yes, without air we can't live. Next is we can feel air. Yes, only we can feel air. Air is found only above us. No, it is found all around us, not only above us. Write your answers, B part. Write your answers with the help of the words given in the clue box. Here in the clue box, answers are given. You have to see according to the question. Name 2 things that need air to be blown into shape. Yes, 2 things are tire and football. They need air to blown into shape. Next is name 2 things that need air to breathe. Animals, plants, and human beings also need air to breathe. Give 2 other names for air in motion, wind and breeze. Breeze is light wind. Next, last number is number 4 is name 2 things that need air to fly. Can you tell me the names? Yes, kite and helicopter. They need air to fly. Okay, the next chapter is chapter number 7. Live eco-friendly. Students, as you know that our environment is getting polluted day by day and we need to protect it. We need a pure and clean environment to live a healthy and happy life. So in this chapter we are going to discuss some points which we should follow to protect our environment. First is we should not use jute we should not use polythene bags. We should use only jute and paper bags only. We should plant more and more tree because it make our air pure and fresh. Next is we should dispose waste safely, and which things which can be recyclable, which are recyclable, we should dispose it these things separately. Next is recycle things to get a new product from old one. Don't throw simply all the things here and there. Which things can be recycled, that can we should use. Next is save electricity. Whenever you are not in the classroom or in the bedroom, switch off the lights and fans. With this we can save electricity. Next is spread awareness to protect trees and animals. Trees and animals are very important for an environment, so we should save them. Next is reduce, give away what you do not need. Next is save fuel, walk or cycle. Yes, for the short distance you should go by walk and can go by cycle. Don't use car or bicycle for the short distance. Next is save water. We should not waste it because we will not get water again which we have already used. Okay, thank you.